Yeah, let's do some questions on half-life. कौन सा टॉपिक प्रैक्टिस किधर गया half-life? Okay. So topic practice 3, do you want to go over each one of them, or do you guys think you can do this on your own?
Miss,
I think we can.
we
We can try
yeah,
today and we
yeah.
can get back to you tomorrow. That's the
That's
most
yeah.
logical thing, I think.
Tomorrow we can keep it flexible, like more time for problem practice, or like if you can do tomorrow. Okay, right?
Okay. Ma'am, this is right now, this is topic practice 3, right?
This is topic practice 3, yes.
Okay.
Question number 6. So there is this reaction. Hey, are you guys like, does this look familiar?
Diazonium salt. I will never forget the reaction, ma'am. Do whatever you want.
And Mayer's reaction.
And Mayer's reaction. Yes.
Half-life does not depend on the concentration of the reactant, which means what order does it follow?
First.
So after 10 minutes, volume of N2 gas is 20 liter, and after completion of the reaction, it is 100 liter. Hence, the rate constant is.
Isn't it given in a wrong way? Wait, what? Why is time given in log? Acha, oh wait, that's sorry. That's just the unit. I'm just like, what is sorry. Okay.
Read the question, like note down. You can put in your book what the situation is. Think of it. So there's a little bit of stoichiometry you need to apply. Yeah.
Option B and C is the same, right? Or is it just me?
2.303, 10, log 10, log 10. Both of them are the same. But like, did you get the strategy ki kaise apply karna hai? Like, how do you get information from the sentence given? Because if you want rate constant, 2.303 ठीक है, and then time ठीक है, 10 minutes, you're given volume of N2 is so and so. So how do you figure out the concentration? Logarithm of like P naught upon P, or concentration of the reactant initial.
Yeah, so we need to find K first, right? And
K is what you find. So K.
Sorry. K is already given. So we just need to put in the values and like it should be
the values, but you can't put 20 and 100 directly, right? Like, would it be 100 by 20?
Because
20 by 100? Would it be 20 by 80?
ma'am, it's R1 by R2, right? So it should be 20 by wait. After 10 minutes, volume of N2 gas is 20 liters. And after the completion of the reaction, it is 100 liters. Hence, the rate constant is okay. I was thinking it'll be 20 by 100.
No. But these are volume of N2. In your rate constant ka equation, you need concentration of the reactant.
Oh yeah. K is equal to
Hmm.
ma'am, can we like reverse engineer the thing?
Absolutely. What are you thinking?
So N2, so like usually we take like the diazonium salt will give me at T is equal to 0, diazonium salt will be like at its maximum given we don't know the number, so X,
Hmm.
and this will be 0 and 0, correct?
Hmm.
Then after at T is equal to certain number,
Hmm.
diazonium salt should be X minus, I'm guessing 20,
Why?
because that's after 10 minutes. No, but so X 0 and 20, that's how it should be, or 20 20, where T is equal to 0, right?
X is
No,
equal to 0. 10 after when t equal to 10 minutes, then
ma'am, because at T is equals to 10 minutes, it should be N2 gas is 20 liters, and after the completion, it is 100 liters. So it should be, I'm not sure.
focus more on this. Completion of the reaction, matlab what is the situation of the reactants and products?
Oh, so after 10, it's become, no, what? It's a one-sided reaction, right? So reactants have become 0.
Yeah. And what was the product like N2 ka concentration at that point of time?
After 10 minutes,
No, at the end
100,
of the reaction.
20.
Wait, I'm just gonna put it on the whiteboard, okay? Getting too cluttered. Okay, so this is our reaction. We have the diazonium salt. And then you got the haloarine, chlorobenzene, plus N2. So initially at T equal to 0. So this is reaction start. If you don't know how much this was, these two will be 0. Then 10 minutes happened. Some amount of this was used up, we don't know. This was 20 liters of this was produced. Then at reaction end, so N2 was 100 liters. What can you expect about the reactant at the end of the reaction?
0.
0. And by stoichiometry, how much of this would have been produced?
Ma'am, I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
Like by stoichiometry, see, 1 mole of this, if 1 mole is used up, you'll get 1 mole of this and 1 mole of this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 1, then will be plus 1, will be plus 1. So at the end of the reaction, you've got like 100 liters of N2. So how
So
much?
we should, so the starting should also be 100 liters of N2Cl.
Yes.
So that will 100 liters of N2Cl, 80 liters of haloarine,
So
chlorobenzene,
20
sorry.
would have reacted to give 20 of this and 20 of this. So how much was left is 100 minus 20 equal to 80
So
liters.
80, yeah. And then we have 0,
Work it out.
and then it's fully converted. But ma'am, then what happened to the chlorobenzene?
100. See,
Oh, that will also become 100, yeah.
like 1 mole is
One,
used to 1 is to 1. So this also will follow the same stoichiometry. So now you have like all of the quantities. So you can use this to just put it up in the thing. Yeah, now you can work it out, no? You can like do it.
Yes, ma'am.
So when you're calculating the rate constant, these two. T naught is 100, or like initial concentration is 100. The other one is like 80.
Ma'am, can we do it in minutes?
Yeah, your options are given.
I mean,
in
it's given in minutes only. Okay, yeah, sorry. Ma'am, then it becomes 5 by 4.
Hmm.
So then I'll just like simply divide that. Ma'am, I think it should be B or C. I mean, both the things are correct.
So यहाँ पे the answer is given as A, and in the solution they've taken 100 by 20, which doesn't
Huh?
really make sense because volume of N2 is given as 20. So there is some issue, some typo in this question for sure.
Ah, that makes it feel like the efforts went in vain.
No, but you found out the answer, no? So we'll look at the original source and see, check that.
Yeah, because this is coming in fraction and the answer is 1 point, like it's like 1.2,
Yeah.
and it's not an option.
Okay. Another type of question you get is question number 7. Time taken to complete 90% of the first order reaction. This is fairly straightforward. When R equal to like R naught here, it should be 0.1 R naught final concentration.
Wait, I'm sorry, ma'am. Can you repeat that?
So 90% complete हो जाना चाहिए. मतलब, so final concentration should be 1 minus 0.9, like 100 minus 90% of the R.
Yeah, okay. So we're talking in moles.
0.1 R naught, yeah. Fractions, 0.1 R naught percentage. And the options are given in terms of half-life. So the way you figure it out is, so from 100% to 50% होने के लिए, you have one half-life. Then 50% to इसका half, 25% होने के लिए,
Another half-life.
then 25% to 12.5% होने के लिए,
3 half-lives.
3 half-lives. So you want to complete 90%. So यहाँ तक 100 minus 12.5 कितना? So basically you want 10% of it left. So 12.5 to 10% matlab it should be
2.5 card.
Like 3 point.
So it should be like 3 point. Yeah. So the closest answer is B.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that's another type of question, you know, like whenever it comes to half-life and this sort of a thing, you figure it out. Okay. expression for half-life like this. Okay, you've derived it, you can do it.
C. That sounds, that looks right. C or
Zero order
like B. Acha, zero. Array, that's the one. Zero order is R naught by 2K. B.
B. These are all like theoretical. 13th question. What is the order of a reaction that is 50% complete after 2 hours and 75% complete after 4 hours?
What is the order of the reaction? Ma'am, 50% refers to the half-life.
Yeah. मतलब इसका half life है 2 hours. And then look at the further question that's given. 75% after 4 hours. इसका मतलब कैसे? Dhriti, Shanmi, you guys are being quiet. क्या हो रहा है? What are you guys up to?
50%.
Nothing, ma'am. Just trying to understand.
If there's any question, like if there's anything that you want to discuss,
No doubt. It's just I'm trying to grasp everything. It's getting into the brain, but it has to
Okay.
stay there. That.
Okay. Hmm.
What is the order of reaction of 50%? Is 2 hours. 75%. Ma'am, the percentage is referring to the amount of initial R naught, right? Initial
Go from
concentration.
to 50,
Huh.
it's taking 2 hours. So this is
Yeah.
like straightforward T half. Now,
But from 100 to 75, it's taking 4 hours, which does not make sense.
75%, नहीं, 75% complete मतलब it is reduced to 25%.
25%. Ah, okay.
So अभी just 25% of the reactant
So
remains.
2 plus 2.
So basically it's 2 plus 2, na? Like 2
Yeah.
it took.
Yeah.
So,
But then how do we figure out the order?
so the half-life is constant. It's not depending on the concentration of the reactant.
Oh, so that makes it first order.
Because if it dependent on the concentration of the reactant, 50 से 25 जाने के लिए it will take a different time. It won't take exact 2 hours. क्योंकि concentration
Oh,
yeah, so
okay.
the time taken also will be slightly less than 2 hours.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's how you figure out this thing. So like that's the significance independent of concentration. So T half will always be the same, like doesn't, so 50 then 50 का half होने के लिए it'll take the same time, फिर यहाँ से 12 के लिए it'll take the same time. That'll
So
be
12.5 kilo will take like 3 half lives.
yeah.
Okay.
फिर वहाँ से 6
का half का half. हाँ, 3 half.
ठीक है. If you look at question number 15, this is pretty direct. Just read the question, you'll figure out how to do it.
Do we solve it?
No, like tell me how you're going to do it for calculation and all.
Oh,
You put in your time.
okay. So time required to decompose SO2 Cl2 to its initial amount is 60 minutes. That means half-life is 60 minutes. So if the decomposition is first order reaction, we know that T half is equals to 0.62693 by K. So we simply like rearrange the formula and put 60 minutes underneath that. Yeah. So 0.693 by 60 should give us the rate constant.
There you go. Very direct question. That's right. Okay. Cool. All right. We'll end the session here. Today evening specifically go through the questions of topic practice 3. Do as much as you can, but at least like read the questions and go through it. So based on that, we can spend time on it tomorrow.
Okay.
अगर साथ में करना है
Okay.
तो we'll focus on that. Otherwise, we'll finish off the chapter and then end it early.
Okay. Also, ma'am, this Sunday, I'm just confirming, this Sunday we have like a small test
Yeah.
on atoms as well
Atoms.
as first half of
And
chemical kinetics.
module array.